Now start heading towards it right away. Okay, turn, I'm not making it, not making it.
What's up everyone? So today is confession time. If you've been following the channel at all recently, you know that I've been working on my commercial pilot's license, and of all the maneuvers I'll have to do to pass my commercial license check ride, there has been one that has been a little bit intimidating for me. And that maneuver has been the power off 180. Now, if you don't know what the power off 180 is, essentially you are shutting down the power of the engine while flying in the circuit, and then you have to manage your airspeed and altitude in order to land the plane on a precise spot on the runway. That is what you'll be tested on by your examiner. Now, like anything that involves pulling the power or shutting down the engine, that stuff always makes me a little bit nervous. It was the same thing when I did my private pilots, and I struggled with that a little bit when I was doing that license. So naturally, it's not the first maneuver that I go out and practice. But today I decided to stop procrastinating, and I'm gonna go up and practice those power off 180s. So the plan is, we're gonna go up, we're gonna do one circuit, I'm gonna get re-familiar with my plane, get the plane under me, and then after that, we're gonna do the power off 180s. And hopefully, everything goes well. So, let's get the bird ready, and let's go up for a little flight.
Belleville traffic, Piper Cherokee, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, taking off 0.
All right. RPM set. Airspeed is alive. Both places. 5. She wants to fly. Let her ground effect her a little bit. I do enjoy the ground effect, to be honest. Let her speed up. And we'll let her climb. Ooh, she wants to go. Amazing. That's so much fun.
Belleville traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, initial climb 06, staying in the circuit.
All right, speed is safe, altitude safe, all instruments are on the green. Flaps up, flaps up. All right, let's do a tighter pattern here because we gotta get ready for the power offs afterwards. So I gotta make sure that I stay inside of my gliding distance.
Belleville traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, turning downwind 06, touch and go.
I always say touch and go. I never remember what the actual term for touch and stop. I don't know. If you guys know, comment below for me. I'm always confused about what that one is. You know, touch, stop, backtrack. Would I say that? I don't know. How do you guys? Let me know how you guys say it. It's not something I did a lot when I did my training, so I never got my instructor to tell me what it is. But, you know, if you guys know, comment below. Now we're going to slow her down already. Make sure full rate check. Magnesium are on both. Fuel pump is still on. Carb is off for now. And tanks, we don't need to switch. We're going to burn the fuel in that tank a little bit more. All right, let's set us up for a nice stable approach.
Belleville traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, turning final 06, is going to be stop, backtrack, take off again.
I decided that's what it's going to be. All right, let's go. There's a little bit of crosswind coming in. It's not so bad when you get close to the ground though, but coming in is, she's a little, let's cut the power. Airspeed's a little high. There you go. Much better. Much better. Oh, way too high. Drop her down. There you go. That was not bad. I got good at getting the center line back on that one. That was actually pretty decent. All right, we'll let her slow down.
Belleville traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, backtracking 06 to take off again.
All right, so this one, we're gonna try the power off. All right, so very important, glide speed 83 is the first thing we're gonna get. And we'll keep the flaps for the last moment because I'd rather use the flaps to lose the altitude at the end when I know that I'm making the field as opposed to beginning and then running out of distance. So that is the plan. And what I'll do is, if I really see that I'm not making it, I'll just go back on the power right away, then just do a go around. We're just training it. We don't need to go crazy on that. Let's configure our plane. One notch flaps. Trim is set. Fuel pump is still on. Mixture full rich. Carb is off. My knees on both. Everything's good. All right, let's do it.
Field traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot, Kilo taking off 06.
Okay, airspeed's alive both places. Instruments all in the green still. And let's go. Woo! That was interesting. Okay, altitude is safe, speed is safe, flaps up, flaps up.
Field traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, turning downwind 06. There's going to be a simulated engine failure for this.
I beam the numbers, we're going to chug the power, carb heat on, and that's it. We're beam the numbers. All right, power's off. Get to 83. Now we'll start heading towards it right away. Okay. Turn, I'm not making it, not making it. Actually, we are making it, maybe. Putting her down with no flaps. Two notch. Oh my God, that was so good, guys. Oh, that's so good. Oh man, I didn't think I was gonna make it there. Oh my God, I haven't practiced these in so long, and yet I still got it like woohoo.
Field traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, backtracking 06 for another team.
I did it. So I beam the numbers, 83, turn in right away. If you don't feel it, get in tight, and worst case, use the flaps afterwards to drop you at the last moment. Wow, very good. All right, sorry, I didn't mean to be this excited. I didn't think it was gonna work out on the first try, to be honest. Wow. We're gonna try that one again? Let's try it again. All right, we're gonna center ourselves, and we'll try that again. All right, trim is set, flaps one notch.
Field traffic, Foxtrot Charlie, Foxtrot Kilo, taking off.
Wants to fly, we'll let her.
I'll save you guys the climb to pattern altitude and we'll go straight to the downwind leg.
Alright, so important thing is inside the tip of my wing, and I beam the numbers where I cut the power. Alright? Try to make this repeatable. Alright, so I beam the numbers, carb heat on, pull the power. Pull, get to 83, 83, 83, 83, come on baby. Come on baby, 83, 83. Okay, speed is good.
Go.
Let's go. Cut in. Then cut in. Alright. Nice. This one's good too. Alright. I don't think I need the flaps. Hello. I'm right on. No flaps on this one. No flaps on this one. Boom! Boom shakalaka. Alright, guys, I'm sorry. I'm way excited. Alright, I think that's gonna be the last one. On this one, I didn't have to use the flaps, which is actually kind of interesting. I didn't turn in fast enough, so I didn't have any altitude to spare, so I didn't need to use the flaps. But all in all, it still turned out really well. Hopefully when I do my CPL test, it's gonna be as good, hopefully. I think I was within the landing distances too, so that's good. Nice.
All right, well, that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for coming along with me while I conquer my fears of the Power Off 180. That being said, if you want to support the channel, feel free to click the like and subscribe button down below. So we'll catch you on the next one. Fly safe.